Welcome to Cooking with Reeve! Today we're gonna make cookies. First, add 2 cups and a quarter into one of your bowls. Next, add a teaspoon of salt. Next, add a teaspoon of baking soda. Next, mix. Hey look, I made a ramp. Whoosh, skateboard. Whoa. Next, add 2 sticks of butter into your big bowl. In cooking, you gotta get messy. Or you're not really cooking. Now I know I'm cooking. Next, add 3/4 of brown sugar into your big bowl. Next, add 3/4 cup of sugar. Whoa. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Ooh. Next, crack 2 eggs. Next, mix. Next, do a little bit at a time. Mix. Next, add chocolate chips. Oh! All of them. Kind of feels like it's a turtle shell that you can kind of squish into, but you can't. After you're done mixing, get a cookie tray out. Jumbo! My favorite kind of cookie would probably be a cookie triple dough. If you don't want to roll it in the ball, do it whatever way you want. Do you want to build a snowman? Right around the home. I'm almost done with my cookie, so you better come out of the wall. Turn your oven to 375 and bake for 10 minutes. Let them cool and enjoy your cookies. Sometimes I drink it with water, but milk is the best. The chocolate chip, my favorite part. Thanks for cooking with Reeve. Bye!